every gear perfectly fit together, allowing a smooth overall performance and giving our customer a positive experience. Now, let us dive deeper to know better the three teams composing our service department. First, we have the remote service team, dedicated entirely to solve our customers' problems by providing immediate remote support with maximum competence. After the front office forwards the client's call, they firstly provide remote assistance on the phone or online, trying to understand better what is needed. Once they figure the issue, they report it to the relevant department, where they will manage and resolve it. Our technicians are always online and able to overcome every possible issue and support the customers during production problems on the spot. Secondly, we have the spare parts team, which job is to check, pack, and ship the goods from our warehouse to our customers all over the world. Here in the warehouse, the spare parts team carries out a quality control of all materials in departure or arrival. They carefully sort every part and organize them in the warehouse to avoid any possible mistake. And they prepare the goods for the customer with precision and care in order to have a perfect delivery with no damage to the parts. Thanks to this working method, we are able to ship worldwide with 24 hours, meeting the high standards and urgencies of our customers. Last but not least, we have the training team, which is completely dedicated to installation and testing of our machines in order to ensure the functioning and the highest quality of the final product. They are our first responders in case the issue needs to be fixed on site. After consulting with the remote service and spare parts team, they schedule on-site intervention, provide remote and on-site installation support, provide remote and on-site training for operators on Lombardi system. They also train Lombardi's technicians all over the world to have an even quicker response for our customers, and they carry out webinars every day for customers to give them advices and solutions to improve their production.